Family Day is a special holiday in Canada that celebrates the importance of family and spending quality time together. If you're spending Family Day in Niagara Falls, there are plenty of fun activities and attractions to enjoy with your loved ones. Here are some ideas. Visit Niagara Falls, one of the most popular attractions in the world. Niagara Falls is a must-visit destination on Family Day. You can take a boat tour to get up close to the falls or simply enjoy the view from one of the many observation points. Clifton Hill, this bustling entertainment district is perfect for families looking for a fun and lively atmosphere. You can enjoy a variety of attractions, such as the Niagara SkyWheel, the Great Canadian Midway, or the Ripley's Believe It or Not. Skyline Tower, take in breathtaking views of Niagara Falls and the surrounding area from the top of Skyline Tower. The tower offers panoramic views of the falls, the Niagara River, and the city skyline. Niagara Park's Botanical Gardens, if you're looking for a more tranquil experience, the Niagara Park's Botanical Gardens offer a beautiful setting for a family walk. You can explore the various themed gardens, such as the Rose Garden or the Japanese Garden, or take a guided tour of the Butterfly Conservatory. Niagara Falls Illumination, in the evening, make sure to catch the Niagara Falls Illumination, a spectacular light show that highlights the beauty of the falls. The show takes place every night, with different colors and patterns used to create a stunning visual display. There are so many things to do on Family Day in Niagara Falls that the hardest part might be deciding where to start. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or simply quality time with your loved ones, Niagara Falls has something for everyone.